Let's fidget trade. I think I see someone. You look good for a fidget trade. Can we fidget trade?
Of course.
Okay, let's go now. Okay, first trade. First, I'm gonna give you this unopened cinnamon roll blind bag. Cinnamon roll blind bag. From here, you can get the pink string, the king cinnamon roll, the random item, the bread roll, or the secret.
I want bread
And let's see what you get.
I will choose.
Let's see what you get. You get bread roll. You got bread roll. Okay. So forgive me for that. A cheese squishy. I think I would. Hey. Okay, what will you show me for that? For that. Okay, a butter squishy. For that, I will give you my wax butter squishy. It's jumbo. It's 14 ounce and its net weight is 23 kilograms.
Oh, give it.
I haven't done anything yet.
I
Okay, but
will
anyway.
accept.
You accept? Actually, these are rares. So, I think, what's that? It's a mini needle. Look inside my needle. Okay, but anyways, I accept. Okay, thank you.
Is that only
What you
good?
give me? Okay,
I give you
Thank
box.
Hi guys, this is everything I got from real life fidget trading. So good. Even the butter. See, it's very slow rising.
And this is everything I got in real fidget trading. Only two. It's only two.
Hey, I gave you something, right? I gave you sampal.